Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a camera performance comparison between Nokia 7 Plus and Nokia 8 smartphone. So we will see a few images captured on both of these devices side by side, and you will decide by yourself that which device is better in terms of camera performance. On the left hand side there will be an image captured on Nokia 7 Plus, and on the right hand side there will be an image captured on Nokia 8. All of these images, they are captured on auto mode and no specific settings are changed for any of these images. Also, the focus point is always same in all of these images on the very same object to make the test fair. So let's start it. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.